Yo, what's good, One Piece crew, Straw Hat family? We back again with another banger. We finally got some One Piece Heroines. The ladies, part and such. You know what I'm saying? We got the female packs itself. Finally, we got some. I think I got about a good 14, 15 packs to open up with the family. So you already know. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Sub up to the PokeDares channel. And if y'all missed out on that great hit we did last night, the video y'all just seen of the One Piece 10s, y'all go and check that out. I will have a link at the end of this video to go check that last video out we just did with the One Piece 10s for my first time. It's a goodie, y'all. You know, a little bit of messed up, but it's a goodie. So let's go ahead, family. Let's get started. Let's go with our first packs. And let's see what we pull here. Oh, not that one. I think we already opened that one. That was the one I opened up in the car. Yeah, I opened that one up in the car, y'all, just to check that out. So I was looking for that one. Yeah, take these out the sleeves. Let's get it, y'all. First time. We ain't gonna mess it up this time. Y'all know you know what happened on the last One Piece. Gotta be easy with the scissors. A little hint, you know. This is nice. So let's see some beautiful cards, y'all. Let's go. Look at that. That Makino. That Connis. Miss Valentine. Okay. Betty, Charlotte Smoothie. Anything good? Anything good?
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on! Ah! Yes! Yes!
Hey, okay. We got a Vin Smoke Reju. Nice. Nice full art. Okay, first hit. Let's go. All right. So I do like how One Piece had their sleeves in the actual envelopes. I feel like it really protects the cards even more better than just the normal, if you have just regular a sleeve in the pack. Camera. I think it just helps that a little bit much more better preserve your packs. These are some beautiful cards, so we're gonna take our time a little bit, kind of just see them, look through them. Ooh, Viola. Okay. All right. Anything? My girl, Nico Robbins. All right. Stussy. Carrot. Okay, so nothing in that one. Ooh. Alrighty. Let's see. Check it out. Check it out. It had a super long video. Beautiful cards though. Beautiful illustrations. Okay, nothing in that one. So far, so good. Just a alt art. Nothing too crazy. This was at our Target restock this morning, and I came up on some prismatic booster bundles too as well, so that was pretty nice. Okay. Anything good? Is that another alt art? Okay, we got a boa.
Boys, I got the whole world in my arms, yeah.
A Hancock, beautiful illustration. Nice. Okay. Yeah, let's go with this pack. So just some not alt arts, just some yeah, I think those is alt arts, if I'm not mistaken. Nothing too silly. Like I said, it's our first time opening EVO 3. So now just having fun with it. Took us a minute, but you know. So if we hit, we hit. Right now I just want to see what's good. Checking out these cards. Beautiful illustration. Like I said, this is the ladies. All the ladies. Look at that jewelry Bonnie. Okay. Let's try this one. Hopefully we pull something nice. How everybody's doing out there. Put it in the comment section. Let me know what y'all out here ripping. If y'all get anything as far as One Piece, anything One Piece. Don't have to be Pacific. See if y'all got anything good. A nice little leader. Nice. We'll put that up there. Leader. Alright. Let's go with this one. Let's see what we got here. And it's close to a booster box. It's 24 packs. We end up getting what, 14 packs? So just 10 packs away pretty much from a booster box of this. It's 24 packs in a booster, so we end up getting 14 packs, which is pretty good. Ooh.
Slab, I'm handling some motherfucking business, homie. I hope you calling about money.
Okay, got a Nico Robbins, which is one of my favorites. My baby right here. We got a Nico Robbins. Nice. Beautiful. Okay. So I like to see. Alright. See if we got anything good in this pack. Anything good? Ooh, got another boa. Our second boa. Alright. Take our bulk right here. Already. A stack of bulk. Let me know if y'all need some. Put that right over there. A few packs left. Hopefully we get something good. Alright, now just rip that open. Jeez Louise. Doing good timing, good timing. Anything good? Nope. Nothing in there. Anything good? Anything good? Okay, leader. Another one of those. So we got 3 packs left, family. 3. We getting cooked. We're getting cooked. And we pull little some. Uh-oh, we got a hit. Do we got something? Do we got... Woo!
Last but not least, I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
Ooh, we got one. Nice. We got my girl Vivi. We got us a Vivi. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful too. Leader. I got some sleeves too. We're gonna sleeve that up in a second. We got us a Vivi. Our first hit. Hey. I just paid for these packs. Oh snap! Look at that, y'all. Just look at that. Just ripped it. It was sticking. Balls. Alright, they glued them joints. Got something else. Ooh, okay. We got a piranha. Nice. Alright, let's go for our last pack. Last pack magic. Let's go. See if we get anything good. Last pack magic. Nope. Nothing last pack, but hey, that was fun just opening it up, and we did pull us a nice hit. So, hey, check out the hit. It's our only big hit, but it's a hit. We got this VV. Nice, nice, beautiful card, beautiful. Let's check this out too. See that joint? That was that red one right there. So, first time opening this Heroines, and we got us a hit, family. So that's what we wanted to do. Appreciate everybody stopping through, checking this out. Like I said, I am gonna put a link in the description to go see the last One Piece video of the mini tins for the first time we open it up, and y'all go and check that out. Make sure y'all hit that like, share, and subscribe, and then just any other content on the channel, y'all more than welcome. Just view it, leave a comment, and let me know what y'all think. Good feedback, negative feedback is all good feedback. So let me know what y'all want to see or what y'all doing, and send me some pictures of what y'all hit and put up in y'all collections and stuff like that. So I appreciate everybody level support. All right, one hat. I said one hat. Straw hat. Not one hat. Straw hat family. One Piece crew. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace.